Thanks for visiting Hot Rod Her's channel. This is a little bit different than what I usually shoot, but this is actually a personal item here. This is my 28-foot Avion camper. It's an Ultra, which you don't see very many Ultras, a little bit rare. This camper is a 72 model, and I purchased it from an older woman who used it quite a bit, and I've got it for sale. So this is a for sale video. I'm just going to kind of do a walk around, and I'll go on the inside. It's in really, really good shape. These vintage trailers are becoming harder and harder to find, and I don't really camp a whole lot. I've got a small 65 Shasta that I pull with my 59 Ford pickup you guys may or may not have seen, so I'm just going to sell this one. The sun is really bright. I hope the lighting's okay. But it needs a little bit of work, but structurally it's in really great shape. I've seen some of these that are fixed up are really, really cool. I just think it's a bigger project than I want to take on, so I bought it with intentions just to resell it. Okay, so again, it's a 72 Avion Ultra, 28 foot, stainless steel sinks. And I'll be completely honest, I bought it, brought it down here, cleaned it up. I do know that the power works in it. I do know that they had it hooked up to regular water at a campsite. But I've not done very much with it, and I've got it priced pretty reasonable, I think, in order to sell it to somebody that wants to do a few minor repairs if necessary, and update, something to that nature. Now the AC does blow cold in it. No leaks at all. So got a table that folds up. And now it does have the original 8-track player, which is kind of neat. Oven's in really good shape. We'll make a note down here. Some plumbing work has been done. You'll see that there's a broken line right there. I believe that it has been replaced with this flex type. Now, there's an open line there, so it may need a few small repairs, but like I said, again, these vintage trailers are getting harder and harder to find, so this is a great one to start with if you're wanting to take one and modernize it. It does need a toilet. The toilet is missing. Where it was before, it had a bathhouse behind it. I'm going to close these curtains, see if the lighting's any better. Okay. So the copper piping that you see are the water lines, but they're just disconnected because the toilet's been taken out. So, small vanity. Small shower. It's tight quarters. It does have a power box here. They had it plugged into an actual power pole. They do have a power box wired in there as well. I've seen several of these that are really updated, and they sure are super nice. Storage. Anyway, if you have any interest in this whatsoever, definitely comment with any questions you might have. Now, we are located in Southwest Missouri, Springfield, Missouri area. So definitely, if it wants to be viewed, give me a holler. I can answer any questions, and I've got still shots too that I can send you or text you. So, again, it's a 72 Avion Ultra, 28 foot, dual axle, bumper tow. One more look at the outside. give me a holler if you're interested.